Hello, I'm Giri Tumu. I'm here at Samtech booth at Supercomputing 25. This live product demonstration features the Samtech Halo. Halo is a mid-board optical transceiver designed for next-generation embedded applications that require either 112 or 56 gigabits per second PAM4 performance. Looking at the demo, an X4 BERT generates a 112 gigabits per second PAM4 signal, which routes through a Samtech BE70A bullseye test system to a Samtech Halo optical transceiver through 100 meters of OM4 multimode fiber and back again to the X4 BERT for analysis. We see an excellent BER and wide open eyes. Halo is available with up to 16 channels. That's 8 channels bidirectional at 112 gigabits per second PAM4 per lane. It's low profile, 6.35 millimeters tall and rugged. Halo is protocol agnostic and supports data center, HPC and FPGA protocols including 10, 40, 100, 400 and 800 gigabit Ethernet, InfiniBand, fiber channel, PCIe, CXL and Aurora. To learn more, go to samtech.com/halo. For more details, you can contact us at sog@samtech.com.